Croeso i'r Llandrillo. Welcome to Llandrillo College. My name is Lisa and I'm the Learner Services Manager for Llandrillo College. Llandrillo College is part of Group Llandrillo Menai, which consists of three colleges: Coleg Menai, Coleg Llandrillo and Coleg Llandrillo. I'd like to share some information with you about our services. Learner Services staff work across all campuses to support applicants from initial inquiry, then on course and then through to progression. Staff work with learners to help them to realise their full potential. We have an extensive curriculum here from entry and level 1 programmes right through to degree level. College staff support learners to apply for their chosen university and guide them through the UCAS process. Support is also provided for learners wanting to go into employment, and also advice and support is provided for those learners choosing to go on to apprenticeships. Whether your query is a specific course query, information about student finance, careers guidance, or even advice and information about the best way to travel to your chosen campus, our staff are here to help. We have a welfare team who support learners who may be experiencing personal difficulties and may well become vulnerable as a result. Those services have continued to be provided remotely. We are very proud of our welfare services. Our services for care support and guidance were assessed as excellent by Estin, and the work of our welfare staff has been recognised by NUS Wales. We have a learning support team who are here to help learners to achieve their potential and feel supported. The services that we offer range from classroom support to access to study skills centres, support with assignments and support with examination arrangements. We do recognise that coming to college can be a very exciting and anxious time for some learners, and we do ask that you get in touch with us as soon as you can if you think there is any way that we can help you to ensure that transition is as smooth as possible. We recognise that learning doesn't just take place in the classroom, so with that in mind we have an extensive enrichment programme with topics ranging from equality to environmental matters, for health and fitness, looking after our mental well-being and staying safe. Our very active student union help with the design of the programme and they encourage participation.